Hello YouTubers, I bought myself a new cordless grass trimmer model DUR 189Z. That means without a battery. I think this is old model, but I bought it anyway. Let's unpack it and see how it is. Package. You have to assemble the trimmer yourself. With the shaft for the motor. Motor is here. 18-volt battery here. The friction screen here. Something on the handle you put on here. The cord assembly here. The wire shawl, the strap to attach to your body. This goes to the bottom of this one. Some tools, 2 Allen wrenches, 3 or 5 millimeters. Instruction manual, same old crap. You can explain a little bit. It's inside the to assemble this one. Safety shit. You always throw that one out. With nothing at all. But I tried to assemble this one. You can see the motor here. Try and put a battery on and fire it up. Let's pause the video. Okay. Standard 18 volts battery. See if it fits. Snaps right on, no problem. I've been looking on YouTube how to use this one. Put on here. You can reverse the engine here. Something gets stuck to the shaft. You have different programs. Slow, fast, and automatic. Adjust the torque after of thick grass you're cutting. Apparently, they say you have to level 2. You have the safety latch here. Have to press this one in before activate the trigger. So the battery fits. I'm gonna assemble the trimmer and take another look at it. Before I assemble the trimmer, look at the wire system. I don't know if I can see if I'm filming correct, but the reason I bought this one is because it's easy to disassemble. You press this bottom here, you disassemble it. And you cannot put it this way, whole way through. You can buy a saucer so you can feed it from here and go out here, but this one cannot do that. So you have to take this one out. I'm not gonna show it now. And you string it up and attach it, and then. But it's easy to. If something fucks up, always breaks here, and you have to disassemble it anyway. To get this one out again. That's why I bought this one. It's easy to disassemble. It snaps right on. That's why I bought this model. I've tried to look at a Skill and a DeWalt and a Milwaukee. This one was the most easy one to disassembly. You just press the 2, you snap it off. That's my preference. To able to assemble and disassemble this one, but it will break in here for sure, and that's a pain in the ass. Then you have to fix it, assemble it again, and you go trimming. That's why I bought this one. Okay, let's assembly. When you tighten the wire assembly to the shaft, screw it